Welcome to the presentation on how to write a bioproduct business plan. Bio-based products are gaining attention as a key industry, driven by keywords like sustainability and eco-friendliness. Today we'll dive into how to identify your target market and the strategies needed to succeed in this field. Let's begin by discussing why this business matters. Consumers are becoming increasingly eco-conscious, and demand for sustainable alternatives is rising. In this context, bioproducts are positioned as a dual opportunity, meeting consumer needs and aligning with environmental regulations. This is not just a trend, but a strategy for long-term survival. So, what exactly are bioproducts? They're made from biological resources, reducing dependence on chemicals and working in harmony with nature. Two key traits define them: eco-friendliness and use of renewable resources. They align well with ESG goals and are often eligible for government support. How is the bioproduct market evolving? Recent data shows global demand growing at an annual rate of 8 to 10%. There's a surge in areas like eco-packaging, biocosmetics, and functional foods. This growth is driven by environmental regulations, consumer awareness, and tech advancements. In short, now is the golden opportunity to enter the biomarket. What technologies are leading this industry? Microbial fermentation, biocatalysis, and biodegradable material tech are the key players. Recently, AI integration has enabled faster screening and enzyme optimization, but having technology alone isn't enough. The key lies in transforming technology into market-ready products. Let's look at actual product categories. Examples include eco-cleaners, bioplastics, biocosmetics, and bio-based food additives. Choosing the right product depends on your target customer, production capacity, and regulations. You'll also need a clear differentiation strategy. For example, vegan certified biocosmetics or hypoallergenic eco-cleaners. Specific, memorable positioning helps avoid price competition. Who are your customers? The initial targets are eco-conscious women in their 20s to 40s, vegan consumers, and parents of young children. Also, older adults focused on health and allergy-sensitive buyers are key. These customers value ethics and sustainability over price. Bioproducts align well with such value-driven consumers. Differentiating from competitors is essential. Most competitors are large chemical brands using traditional distribution channels. Your strategy should be different: direct online sales, small batch production, subscription models, or local eco-certification. Don't sell just a bio product, sell a unique value. That's how you survive and thrive. Production for bioproducts is more complex. You may need fermentation, drying, extraction, blending, and packaging. Standardizing your process and ensuring hygiene and automation are key. You must also meet environmental certifications, so advanced planning is critical. A reliable production system builds customer trust. How should you build your factory? Small startups can begin with OEM outsourcing, but long-term in-house production reduces costs and boosts quality. Start with compact versions of mixers, fillers, sterilizers, vacuum packers, etc. A modular system that expands with productivity is efficient. Ensure your facility meets HACCP and ISO standards, and look into tax benefits for facility investment. This is a tech-driven business, so R&D and quality control staff are essential. Early on, one person may handle multiple roles. However, you can outsource or hire part-time experts for marketing, production, certification, and customer service. The key is to create a structure where each function is covered professionally. Even a small team can operate like a specialized unit. Your business timeline matters. Phase 1. product planning and testing within 3 months. Phase 2, setup of production facilities within 6 months. Phase 3, market launch within 9 months. A clear timeline reduces risk and builds investor trust. Be specific about what you'll achieve and when. Let's talk money, revenue, the shush, product price X sales volume. Use various channels early on, online, wholesale, and SNS marketing. Focus on net profit, not just revenue, by factoring in costs and fixed expenses. Investors want to see long-term profitability, not just sales projections. Of course, risks exist: raw material shortages, production delays, certification issues, and weak consumer response are all possibilities. What matters is not avoiding risk, but being prepared. Have backup supply sources, OEM options, pre-certification plans, or flexible marketing. A risk management plan signals you're running a prepared business. What is your long-term vision? Don't aim to just sell a few products. Aim to become a sustainable brand. For example, grow into a bio-based lifestyle brand or expand to eco-friendly global markets. Your business plan should show how your project will grow and stay relevant. Let's wrap up. Bio-product businesses ride a strong trend, but without solid strategy and execution, success is far from guaranteed. Today, we covered market trends, product strategy, production, team structure, financial planning, risk, and vision. We hope this helps you build a strong, actionable business plan. Thank you for watching.